Welcome to our channel. In today's video, you will see how modern toothpaste is made inside a clean and highly controlled factory environment. Before we begin, make sure to watch this.
Modern toothpaste manufacturing is a perfect combination of advanced machines, strict hygiene systems, and careful human supervision. In this video, we explore how Sensodyne toothpaste is made inside a clean, controlled, and highly organized factory environment designed to meet international quality standards. Sensodyne toothpaste is specially formulated for people with sensitive teeth. Because of this, every step in the manufacturing process follows precise procedures to ensure safety, consistency, and effectiveness. The process begins with the careful selection of raw materials. Only approved ingredients that meet strict quality and safety requirements are allowed into the production system. Key ingredients include calcium-based compounds for gentle cleaning, hydrated silica for controlled polishing, glycerin for moisture retention, and protective elements designed to help reduce tooth sensitivity. These materials arrive at the factory in sealed containers to prevent contamination. Before any ingredient is used, trained quality control staff inspect each batch carefully. Workers check texture, color, purity, and documentation to ensure the materials meet exact specifications. This inspection stage is critical, as the quality of raw materials directly affects the performance of the final toothpaste. Once approved, each ingredient is measured with high precision. Automated weighing systems and human verification work together to ensure the correct proportions are maintained. Even a small variation in measurement can affect the toothpaste's texture, stability, or effectiveness. That is why accuracy at this stage is treated as a top priority. After precise measurement, the raw materials are transferred into large stainless steel mixing tanks. These tanks are designed specifically for hygienic production and are cleaned thoroughly before each batch. Inside the mixing tanks, powerful industrial mixers slowly blend the ingredients together. The mixing speed, temperature, and duration are carefully controlled to protect the sensitive properties of the formulation. As the ingredients combine, the mixture gradually transforms into a smooth and uniform toothpaste paste. This process takes time and constant monitoring to achieve the desired consistency. Throughout the mixing stage, skilled factory workers supervise the operation. They monitor digital control panels, adjust machine settings, and visually inspect the mixture to ensure everything remains within required limits. Once mixing is complete, the toothpaste paste moves to the vacuum de-aeration stage. This step removes trapped air bubbles from the paste. Removing air is essential because it improves the toothpaste's smoothness, stability, and shelf life. It also ensures that the paste fills the tubes evenly during the filling. While the toothpaste is being prepared, empty Sensodyne toothpaste tubes are produced on a separate production line. These tubes are formed using specialized machines to achieve the correct shape and thickness. Each tube is designed to be strong, flexible, and safe for daily use. After formation, the tubes go through a detailed inspection process. Human inspectors carefully examine the tubes for defects such as cracks, weak seams, or incorrect dimensions. Only tubes that meet strict quality standards move forward to the filling stage. The filling process uses a bottom-up filling method. In this method, the toothpaste is filled from the open bottom side of the tube, while the cap is already attached at the top. This approach helps maintain hygiene and ensures accurate filling without air pockets. Automatic filling machines dispense the exact amount of toothpaste into each tube. Throughout filling, workers closely monitor the process. They check fill levels, machine performance, and tube alignment to ensure consistency across all units. Once the tubes are filled, the open bottom ends are sealed using precision sealing machines. These machines apply controlled heat and pressure to create a strong leak-proof seal. Immediately after sealing, human inspectors check each tube by hand. They ensure the seal is secure and that the tube is ready for further processing. Next, batch numbers and manufacturing dates are printed on every Sensodyne toothpaste tube. This information allows full traceability and ensures compliance with safety regulations. The finished tubes then move to the packaging line. Here, machines and workers work together to place the toothpaste into branded cardboard boxes. Packaging machines fold, fill, and seal boxes with precision, while workers perform visual quality checks. Each package is inspected for correct labeling, proper sealing, and overall appearance. Only packages that meet quality standards are approved for distribution. Any defective packaging is removed immediately to maintain consistency. After packaging, the finished products are transferred to a clean and organized warehouse. In this storage area, workers arrange the boxes neatly on pallets. The warehouse environment is controlled to protect the products from damage or contamination. From here, the toothpaste is prepared for transportation. Finally, the packaged Sensodyne toothpaste is loaded onto transport vehicles. These vehicles deliver the product to distribution centers, retail stores, and pharmacies across different regions. This entire process reflects the balance between modern technology and human responsibility. From raw material selection to final delivery, every step is designed to ensure quality, safety, and reliability. That's how Sensodyne toothpaste is made, through precision, care, and strict quality control, delivering a trusted product for daily oral care.